Okay, there's no. Oh my God!
What the hell is it doing it by itself?
Somebody's here!
Look, watch, I'm gonna press it. Look, it keeps pressing numbers by itself. Press the M button.
Stop it!
Shut up.
If you stop it, shh, that means you're here.
Look, it doesn't let me press it. It doesn't let me press it. What the hell? It won't clear it.
Start it. Holy shit. Jesus.
Go. What the heck? Oh my God, it won't.
I'm gonna disconnect. Oh, yes.
Oh my God, this is creepy.
Where is the disconnect? I'm so gonna disconnect it.
Nothing, it won't
I'm gonna
clear it.
disconnect it.
It's connected, go. Go.
Oh, wait. I can get up.
It won't let it turn off. Look at the lights.
Doesn't want to get disconnected.
Yeah, just go. Pull it harder. There we go.